Ever wondered why you can see email addresses in your Google form responses but the respondents' names are missing? Let's solve that puzzle. First, open your Google form and click on the settings gear icon near the top right of the screen. In the General tab, make sure that Collect Email Addresses is toggled on. This is essential for associating responses with identifiable accounts, if the respondents are within your organization. Next, click on the Responses tab at the top. Scroll down and check the Require Sign-in option. If this is selected, make sure that Restrict to Users in your organization is either unchecked, or that all of the respondents are indeed part of your organization. This will collect the names of those in your organization. Now, if you're using a Google Sheet to view responses, examine the column containing the names. It's possible that some respondents chose not to share their name, or the data wasn't automatically populated. If this is the case, you may have to manually enter the names by referencing the email addresses. This is possible if respondents are internal to your organization. Finally, ensure that your data is properly formatted and sorted in the Google Sheet to make it easier to find the data you need. So that is how you make sure your Google form respondents are showing their names.